Back here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive, and there's some pretty neat amenities that some repair shops have, and we want to talk about what are the amenities that are important, that really matter, and the ones that don't, from your perspective.
All right, good topic. So we try to focus on customer convenience, and what's really going to matter to them. Like we'll shuttle customers if need be. We'll pick up and deliver the car if need be. We have free loaner vehicles if your car's getting serviced. Our loaners, they're not all brand new cars, but hey, it keeps you mobile.
If I'm busy and I got to get places, then you're either coming to pick me up or you're sending me off in a car of my own.
It could be a real inconvenience when you're down a vehicle, right?
Sure.
Especially if it's your only one.
Yeah.
So free loaner vehicles, those type of things help a lot. We don't have massaging chairs in the waiting room, but we have a clean waiting room.
Okay.
We got a coffee machine and water and all that kind of stuff.
All the basic stuff that I need.
Yeah, TV, but it's nothing extravagant or over the top, but the stuff that really makes a difference to most people we do.
But I'll tell you, you mentioned
more than most.
You honed in right on the just convenient aspect of that's the really important thing, And I know it's not an amenity, but it's sort of neat that you guys will show me coming in, if I am waiting there, that you'll show me pictures of what's going on with my car.
Absolutely, yeah. Also, when we do after hours drop off and pick up, if somebody can't get there while we're open, you can drop it off while we're closed. You can pick it up when we're closed.
Okay.
Lock the keys up. We got a secure way to do that.
And if I'm elsewhere and you're looking at my car, you can send me the pictures too. It's a nice. I don't know if it's a traditional amenity, but it's nice to know what's going on under your hood. Without just getting bad news.
Full transparency. You don't need to be in front of a computer. You would send it right to your phone. Yeah, it works out good.
Transparency and convenience. Those are pretty neat amenities.
It's important, right?
It really is.
Important.
And if you want both of those, you'll get them both at Weber Automotive. So thanks a lot for watching.
Thanks, Randy.